convinced that this video is going to change your guys' lives. If you're the type of person that you just don't like wearing makeup, you don't like the feeling of wearing makeup, this video is perfect for you. I get the struggle of having dark circles and just looking tired without makeup. See these lips? Because I don't see anything. I mean, look, they look lifeless, they look dry, they look like they have no color. My skin is just really dull, it looks dehydrated and dry, so we're gonna fix all of this. We're gonna make ourselves look good, okay? Just give me a second. So let's just get into the video. I'm gonna share with you guys the first tip on how to look good without any makeup. Alright, so first things first, before doing anything, I know this is a no-brainer, but you wanna have good hygiene. You can look good, but I swear, if you haven't flossed yesterday's food out of your teeth, then girly, nothing is going to make you look good. You want to start out this routine by making sure to look after your smile. So be sure to floss, brush your teeth, brush your tongue, and maybe even use some whitening strips to help whiten your teeth. Also, please, for the love of God, use mouthwash. I cannot stress this enough. I don't know about you guys, but bad breath is the biggest turnoff. Like, you can go from being a 10 on the attractive scale to being a literal 0 real quick. I know this sounds harsh, but I'm really just trying to look out for you guys. I'm using TheraBreath because this mouthwash honestly leaves such a long-lasting, minty, fresh breath. Not a lot of people talk about this next tip, but make sure that you guys have clean nails or manicured nails. But the thing is that you don't need to go to the nail salon to get your nails done, which is why I'm literally wearing press-on nails. Bestie, listen to me. Ever since I discovered press-on nails, I haven't stepped foot in the nail salons. Those nail salons are so time-consuming and costly, so I swear by this tip. And I just get my press-on nails from Amazon. Just make sure to get the nail glue separately if you do get press-on nails. Okay, now onto the face. Just like all of these tips, this one is so important. Make sure you groom your brows. Your eyebrows are the expressions of your face. You can literally change the way your face looks just by changing the shape of your eyebrows. I'm making sure to pluck and clean the unwanted hair under my eyebrows, and I'll carefully trim the top. Of course, your eyebrows are not going to look identical because they're not meant to look like twins. They're meant to be sisters. Also, bonus tip, use a spoolie or a toothbrush to brush your brows upwards. This will make your face look lifted and awake. I always feel like a new and improved person after grooming my brows. As you guys can see, my lips are looking crusty, dry, colorless, but that's okay because I'm going to bring some life back to my lips. Since we're not going to use any lipstick, I'm going to exfoliate my lips with my Derma-E Microdermabrasion Scrub. This will remove the dead skin, which will soften my lips, and the exfoliation will get the blood flowing, which will bring back the natural pink color to my lips. And I mean, look at that color. I was so caught off guard. This is the before and this is the after, guys. This tip is amazing. Another great tip is using lip plumper because the burn will bring more color to your lips and will make them look plump. Instead of lip plumper, you can also use a lip balm. The goal here is to make your lips look glossy because this will make them stand out and give the illusion of softer and bigger lips if you're going for that. For our under eyes, we're not going to use any concealer. Instead, we're going to go in with ice. I'll place the ice in a paper towel and then I will gently apply that to my under eyes as well as my lids. So ice works because it will get rid of the puffiness, and that's important because puffy eyes make our eyes look smaller and more tired. The ice also works to shrink those blood vessels around our eyes, which will alleviate some of those dark circles. You may look red and crazy at first, but just give it a few minutes and your under eyes are gonna look so much better and more refreshed. Okay, besties, this next tip is definitely my favorite. I freaking love this hack, and it shocks me how people don't know about this one. Literally curling your eyelashes and applying Aquaphor is the best alternative to wearing mascara. I always feel like such a different person after curling my lashes. My lashes are really straight, so curling them upwards makes them more noticeable, and the first thing that people notice about us are our eyes. I discovered this tip 5 years ago and I've never been the same. It also feels way more comfortable than dry and clumpy mascara because the Aquaphor is extremely moisturizing for your eyes, and I just love the feeling of wearing it. And because Aquaphor is so conditioning, it may even promote longer and healthier lashes, which is a major plus. Oh, and also here's a bonus tip. Try to clump your lashes together instead of having them separated. This will make your eyes and lashes stand out so much more, especially from afar. Also, go ahead and apply the Aquaphor to your eyebrows. This will act as eyebrow gel to keep them looking lifted. So of course you want to moisturize your skin with your favorite moisturizer, but don't forget to use sunscreen afterwards. I've realized that sunscreen will give you a radiant and long-lasting glow to your skin. By the way, none of these products are sponsored, but this sunscreen by Glow Recipe is just so different from other sunscreens because other sunscreens always tend to leave a white cast and they kind of peel off like they're a mask on my face. But this one is exactly what I've been looking for. It's so moisturizing, it makes me feel so dewy, but it's not sticky. It's like it brings life back to my dull skin. I don't know if you guys can tell from the video, but this sunscreen always gives me the illusion of wearing highlight. The next tip also relates to good hygiene, so make sure you smell good. You could literally be a 2, guys, but if you smell good, you are instantly a 10. I don't care what anyone says, if you smell good, I am instantly attracted to you. Now, when it comes to spraying perfume, spray on the pulse points of your skin, like your wrists, behind your earlobes, even your elbows, behind your knees, because perfume will last longer when applied to these pulse points because these are the best spots due to the warmth of our blood. Another tip is to add jewelry. This will make you look so put together. Jewelry gives the illusion that you spent time and effort into your look. Now, you don't have to go overboard with the jewelry though, so keep it light and simple. I'm wearing these butterfly earrings with this butterfly necklace, which I got from Fashion Nova. It's so affordable, but also super cute and delicate. And jewelry kind of completes the whole look. So instead of wearing blush, you could literally squeeze and massage your cheeks. This will get the blood flowing and will bring back some color to your skin. So I will personally squeeze and massage and sometimes even slap my cheeks gently for about a minute or 2. This will keep me looking blushed for hours. I'm not even joking. My mom always tells me to chill with the blush and I keep telling her that I'm not wearing any. Okay, unpopular opinion, but I believe hair is more important than makeup. After the eyes, hair is usually one of the first things that people notice about us. So make sure you are having a good hair day. I know we usually have our good hair days when we're literally at home and have nowhere to go. I swear, I hate how I'm literally at home and I'm eating like Thai food and binge watching Netflix, but my hair looks so voluminous and nice, but I literally have like nowhere to go. Why does that always happen? But you can try having a good hair day by giving the front part of your hair a quick blowout. If your hair is messy or frizzy, then this will completely ruin your whole look, so just make sure that your hair is looking put together. Okay, now the last tip is not what you guys expect. But if you also want to take one thing from this video, I think the most beautiful thing that people do is simply smile. You become so much more approachable, nicer, and just radiate good vibes. You kind of notice and remember people by their smile. People are just not sharing eye contact or smiling at each other anymore. And smiling is really attractive, so it'll just make you look even better. I feel like smiling changes the way that we perceive people. I mean, this is me kind of serious, not smiling, and then this is me smiling. And I feel like it just radiates a lot of positive and good energy. And that, guys, is basically what you can do to look better without using any makeup. I think these tips are awesome. I mean, I started at the beginning of the video looking like this, as if I had just woken up, when in reality, I just didn't do anything to my face. But this is the after, and I didn't use an ounce of makeup. I know people might say, oh, this requires just as much time as doing your makeup, so might as well just do your makeup. But here's the thing, there's gonna be those days where you just don't want to wear any makeup, whether that's on vacation or to the airport or simply going to the grocery store, which is why these tips are perfect for those times. And this video is also great for people who just don't like wearing makeup. Also, here's a candid moment of my mom feeding me while I was filming. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do try these tips, please send me a photo to my Instagram page. I would love to see your guys' looks without any makeup, because this whole thing kind of emphasizes everyone's natural beauty. So I really want to see your beautiful faces, and also don't forget to like this video so that more people can watch it, and also subscribe down below if you want to see more videos from me. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye. Okay, actually not bye. I am in the middle of editing this video for you guys, and the next clips are of me explaining my time away from YouTube. So if you guys want to watch that, then please keep watching. Also, I'm really embarrassed that I haven't really posted in like 4 years. but I really wanted to post a video. I felt like really, I don't know, it's really hard to explain. I'm bad at explaining things, as you can tell. But because I didn't post for almost 4 years, it made me really anxious about posting again on YouTube. Like, it turned into 1 year and I was like, shoot, I haven't posted on YouTube in a really long time. And then it turned to 2 years and then 3 years, and I was like, okay, I feel like I have to owe an explanation to why I was gone for so long. And then I was just procrastinating and I kept delaying that video. But this entire time, I just wanted to post a video and have fun again on YouTube because I miss it so much. So that's why I'm just like putting a video out there and hopefully getting back into the flow of posting on YouTube. And if I do ever explain my reasoning, then I'll do that in later videos. But for now, I just really want to have fun and post videos. So I hope you guys forgive me for being away and accept me for coming back. And when you get